Hello. In this 1.21.1 NeoForge modpack development video, we're going to be using KubeJS block tags to change the mining level requirement of specific blocks. Before we get started, if you find this video informative, please give it a like and comment with any further questions. And also thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. I will be giving more information about their services later in the video. So basically, we have two different types of block tags we're going to be working with. So first is the incorrect tags. So incorrect for wooden tool is basically the same thing as incorrect for gold tool, and then essentially there's that for stone, iron, and diamond. Also, there are the needs tool tags. So needs stone tool means you need a stone tool. Needs iron tool, you need an iron tool, and so on and so forth. There's lots of great information here on the wiki. I will have this linked in the description below. So for an example here, starting off with incorrect for wooden tool, blocks in this tag take longer to mine and drop nothing when using a wooden tool. So inside that is needs diamond tool, needs iron tool, and needs stone tool. Incorrect for stone tool means that blocks in this tag take longer to mine and drop nothing when using a stone tool. And then inside that is a smaller window, so just needs iron tool and needs diamond tool. Iron only has needs diamond tool because blocks in that tag take longer to mine and drop nothing when using an iron tool. And then finally, incorrect for diamond tool. Blocks in that tag take longer to mine and drop nothing when using a diamond tool. By default, in vanilla, this contains no values, and incorrect for netherite tool also has 0 values, obviously, because in vanilla, netherite is the biggest, the largest mining level. If you're making a mod pack that has mining levels beyond netherite, well, this is probably going to contain things. And then scrolling down to needs tool. So needs stone tool. If a block in that tag requires a certain type tool to drop, the tool must be stone or better. So this can be stone, iron, diamond, netherite. And then an example here, in stone tool you can see some examples that there's obviously a lot of stuff that is in that tag. But there's less in iron. So if a block in this tag, so for example, diamond ore in vanilla, needs an iron tool to drop. And then as you can see, there's a couple other examples here like gold and things like that. Lapis, redstone, emerald. Needs diamond tool. Obviously, there's a lot less here. So the ancient debris block, netherite block, obsidian, obviously, because you need a diamond pickaxe to go to the nether in vanilla. So the wiki here, I think I show you this because this is a good reference. Maybe you're unfamiliar with modern versions of the game, so you can see things like respawn anchors, crying obsidian, which are relatively new blocks compared to obsidian. But going back in here, I made this little infographic, this little diagram here. Feel free to take a screenshot of this, and this is a good summarization of the wiki there. But getting into the code, let me hide that. So obviously this is a block tag thing. So we're using the server events.tags. And then as the first argument, we're putting block, all lowercase. And then we're doing the event callback. So our first example here, and this was from a comment submission, the user wanted diamond ore to only be mineable with a netherite pickaxe. Well, there's multiple ways to do this. I figured this way would be the best way to do it. So the first thing we're doing is defining the tags. So incorrect for iron tool and incorrect for diamond tool. So normally diamond ore is obtainable with an iron pickaxe, but we don't want that anymore. So we want to consider those tags. And then for each tag, we're going to simply add that to diamond ores. So now diamond ore is incorrect for an iron tool. Obviously, diamond ore is not in that tag by default, and incorrect for diamond tool as well. So we only want diamond ores to be obtainable with netherite. So that would be an example of that. Note I'm using the tag here. You can specify another tag in the add tag function. So because I obviously want to target both diamond ore and deep slate diamond ore. Next example here, I want coal ore to only be mineable with an iron pickaxe or better. So this kind of alternative way of doing it, probably more simplistic way, but I figured I'd demonstrate the use of and meaning of both tags here. So this is real simple. I'm simply adding any coal ore. So again, normal stone and the deep slate ore variant as well, to the needs iron tool. So now you can only obtain coal with an iron pickaxe. Before we get to our final example, and it's a little more complicated, I would like to give a more detailed shout out to BisectHosting. This is a great server hosting platform that I'm happy to have been affiliated with for quite a while now. They offer hosting for over 80 top online games. You can pre-install over 2,000 Minecraft mod packs automatically. So basically any relevant mod pack at the moment you can get a server host for. They offer 24/7 365 customer support that can help you troubleshoot your server and mods. Very helpful customer support, very friendly. You have full file access for your plugins, config files, mods, etc., etc. You can host your server from across 20 locations around the world for an acceptable latency, and then they offer advanced DDoS protection. So this is a fantastic, secure server host. In the description, I have an affiliate link that will bring you to the website, which I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform a possible purchase. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel, and I'm happy to support them in return. But now let's get back to the code for our final example here. I want gold ore to be able to be mined by stone pickaxe or above. I'll be honest, I found this quite difficult to get working at first, because for whatever reason the remove function does not work as intended, so I had to do a workaround here. So this is an example of downgrading gold. So by default in vanilla, gold requires an iron pickaxe or above to mine. So I want to downgrade that to the mining level below. Again, using tags as the argument here does not work. So I needed to define specific blocks. So I'm doing that here. Everything in the gold ores tag is here. So the stone, the deep slate, and the netherrack forms are all defined as a constant here. And then the next thing I need to do here is remove any iron only requirement and any incorrect for stone / iron inverse tags. So I had to do that for needs iron tool, because again I want it to be needs stone tool. And then finally I want to remove the incorrect for stone and iron tool tags as well. And then finally here added the stone requirement to make sure they are in the pickaxe mineable tag. So that is adding Minecraft needs stone tool, and then just for safe measure, again, I really couldn't get it working without just specifying that this tag needs to be here, Minecraft mineable / pickaxe, which means anything that you need a pickaxe to mine. So again, adding that array to as the argument for these three remove tags and add tags. So I hope these were three good examples on messing around with block tags in terms of mining level. I figured this is something that I haven't seen much documentation on, so I figured this would be useful for mod pack development, especially those that have like 20 mining levels. So If this video was informative, please give it a like if it was helpful. Again, comment with any questions you might have. If you need more examples, I'd be happy to make a follow-up video. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.